Yes. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon. Is your tummy full? Had lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Waiting for the class to get over?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Here it's morning.
Where?
Here,
Savio, where are you now?
Italy.
Italy. So you went to Italy very soon.
Yesterday.
Ah, very good. How is it there?
It's cold.
Cold. Yeah, winter, no? Fine. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Malavika, I saw your message. No problem. Okay. So everybody, just show me your the thread. I hope everybody has it. Isn't it? Ashish, did you get the thread?
Yes, ma'am. Measuring.
Yeah, measuring. Fine. So first thing that you have to do is take out your pencil. Take out your pencil. Leave the thread on a side. Keep it on a side, and then take your pencil. Draw one curved line. That is, I'll show you. Just a minute. Yeah, draw one curved line like this. Something similar to this. You can draw your own line, but draw a curved line, not a straight one.
Ma'am, where?
In your book, any rough book or lecture note, anything is fine. Okay, and mark the starting point as A and the ending point as B. Yeah, this is the starting point and this is the ending point. Similar to this, you can mark A and B in your curved line. Okay? Ready? Everybody finished drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let it be there. Let it be there. Can others also switch on the video, please? I just want to see. Smriti, Nihal, and all. Please switch on the video. Okay, fine. Now, who will read? Devika,
Ma'am.
can you read that topic? Activity 4. So the heading is measuring the length of a curved line. We cannot measure the length of a curved line directly by using a meter scale, isn't it?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
we use a ruler or scale, can we really measure the curved line? I
No,
mean,
ma'am.
we might be able to measure, but that won't be correct or accurate. Okay? So for that, we have another method. We'll see that in the activity. Yes, activity 4.
Use a thread to measure the length of the curved line AB, figure 10.10.
Yeah, so everybody have your this curved line ready, no? In your book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, anybody who hasn't drawn yet? Abhyuday, do you have a thread with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
have.
Did you draw the curved line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So Devika, you can continue.
Put a knot on the thread near one of its ends.
Okay, so take your thread, everyone.
Yes.
Yeah, if it's in the roll, please take it out. Just cut a piece and take it out. And at the one end, tie a knot. At one end of the thread, you have to tie one knot. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Those who haven't tied, please tie it. Don't panic, just relax and do. We have enough time today so we can complete the activity properly. Risa and all, switch on the video. Smriti,
Just one.
Ayan, Kanishk.
Ma'am, my video is switched on.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yeah.
ma'am, is it necessary that the knot should be right at the end?
No problem. Have you put a knot already?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. Anybody yet to finish? Yes, yes, yes. Anybody yet to finish? Shall we do the next step?
Yes, ma'am.
Sanika, have you finished?
No, ma'am.
Try it fast then. I can see you struggling there. What happened?
I was not having a scissors.
Okay, okay, fine. Kanishk, finished? Okay. Abhinav?
Ma'am, this is heart.
Sorry?
This is heart.
Heart. Where? Who was telling?
Sheesh.
Ashish. This is heart. Which is heart?
I'm doing this. I try to measure the line.
Oh, okay, fine. Yes. So the next step is, yeah, Devika, continue.
Okay, ma'am. Place this knot on the point A.
Yeah. So on your curved line, you have the point A, isn't it? So on one end of the thread, you have tied a knot and placed that knot on point A.
Now, place a small portion of the thread along the line, keeping it taut using your fingers and thumb.
Yes. Keeping your fingers and thumb, you have to stretch it out and keep. Just see that picture, figure 10.10. See that? See how they have holded the thread? See the screen? Look at my hands, please. Just a minute. Can I have your attention just for a minute? Yeah, you have to stretch it and keep it like this. Okay, using your other fingers and the thumb, you have to keep it tight. Please don't break the thread. Okay? Yeah. So keep the knot at point A and then take a small portion of the thread and then keep it on your curved line, just a little bit portion. Okay, not the whole length.
Ma'am, should it be in the shape of the curved line?
No, not that's what I told you. Not completely. Just take a small length of the thread and place it on a small portion of your curved line. Just look at my screen. Just look at my screen. See, if you're holding it like this, then place it like this. See, only till this portion. Understood? Okay. Read the next one, Devika.
Hold the thread at this end point with one hand. Using the other hand, stretch a little more portion of the thread along the curved line.
Okay. So just again look back to the screen, guys. So what you did was you kept the knot at point A, yes, and then you pulled with the both hands. You stretched it out and you still here. Say you measure till here, this point. So hold the thread with that hand and pull a little bit more to the next one. Okay, so the thread is at point A, it's the starting. And then you have measured till this point, then stretch a little bit more and you can come to this particular point. Then,
Go on repeating this process till the other end B of the curved line is reached. Make a mark on the thread where it touches the end B.
okay, so do it carefully. You don't have to hurry, but similar, just as we completed till this particular point, just complete pulling or stretching till the other point. Now from there, complete till the next point. Finally, finish it at point B. Okay, at the end point. Slowly do it, otherwise you'll make mistakes. And then make a mark on the thread where it touches the end B. On the thread you have to mark. When you finish the measurement, don't hurry, you can do it slowly, no problem, but make sure you do it correctly. So starting from A, you have finally when you reach B, on the thread you have to make a marking. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay. Those who have finished marking on the thread, take a ruler or a scale. Yes. Now stretch the thread along a meter scale or a centimeter scale. Anything is fine. Okay. You have to stretch the your thread with the starting point as the knot and the ending point as the marking that you have given, and then take that closer or keep that closer to the meter scale or the centimeter scale that you have, and then measure its length. That is from the knot to the marking that you have made. Fine. Who's speaking now?
My 11.5 centimeter.
11.5 centimeters. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Devika?
got 30 centimeters.
13.
0.
30. Okay. 30 centimeters.
Ma'am, 6 centimeters.
6 centimeters.
9.5.
9.5 centimeters.
25.5 centimeter.
14
7.5
centimeters.
centimeters.
25. 11.5 centimeters.
7.5.
7.5 centimeters. That was Abhyuday, no?
Centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then
Yes.
7. Savio, 7.5. How much did you get?
11.5.
11.5.
Ma'am, 10.5 centimeter.
10.5 centimeters.
16 centimeters.
Sorry?
6.4.
6.4 centimeter. Centimeters. Yeah.
Ma'am, 16
16. Then
centimeters.
16 centimeter.
13.5 centimeter.
13.5. 13.
13.5.
Yeah, 13.5 centimeters.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I got wrong. It was 9.1 centimeter.
What is it? 9.1
1 centimeter.
centimeter. Did you measure it again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's 12.5 centimeter.
12.5 centimeters. Then any other? Anybody yet to finish measuring? Yeah. Take your time. No problem. Take your time.
Ma'am, 16 centimeter.
16 centimeters. Who else has to finish? Ananya, did you get?
Ma'am, I have changed, ma'am. It's 9.4 centimeter.
9.4 centimeter. Ananya?
And
Ah,
30 centimeter.
30. Then, who else? Anybody else?
Ma'am, Namaste.
Namasya, how much?
21 centimeter.
21.
12.5 centimeter.
Sorry, I can't hear, your voice is breaking, dear.
9.4.
9.4. Ashish, how much?
Ma'am, 16.
16. Okay. Amita, did you give?
Yes, ma'am, 25.
25. Okay. Emil finished?
Ma'am,
How much?
no, ma'am.
No, you haven't finished. Okay, complete. Ananda Krishnan,
30 centimeter.
30 centimeter. Yeah. Then who else has to finish?
Ma'am, 6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. Then anybody else wants to share?
19 centimeter.
19. Aaron got 19 centimeter.
Sorry, 30 centimeter.
30 centimeter. Yeah. It depends upon your curved line because my curved line is bigger. Some people's curved line is as small as the one that you have seen in the textbook. Then some have really big ones, the 30 centimeter ones and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, it depends on your curved line. So no problem if the readings are different. And what you just did is you measured this curved line from point A to point B. Okay. So whichever value that you have got is the length of this curved line AB. Understood? So what is the, for example, Devika, what did you get? 30. 30, yes. So Devika's curved line AB would have a value of 30 centimeters. Okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So for each of you, you will have different values depending on your curved line. Suppose if I had to draw such a curved line, this length will be, let it be CD, curved line CD. So this CD's length will be different from that of AB, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because it's different in length, of course. Then if I was supposed to draw another small line, that is, let it be XY. Okay. Now line XY's measurement or the length will be again different from that of CD and AB.
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
it? For this also you can measure how you can tie one thread, you can make a knot at one end. You have to keep that knot on this point. Let me take another color, it's not evident. Yeah, you have to keep the knot at this particular end, that is X, and then take the small portion, you can measure till here because the other part is a curve, so you can measure till here. Then you can leave the hand, and with the other hand you can stretch the thread to this length, this particular length you can measure. Then again you can stretch it to this particular length. You can mark you can make a marking on the thread, and then you will get this particular length. Understood? That is the activity that we did now. That is how we measure a curved line. Understood? Yes. So if we were to use some kind of meter scales or centimeter scales, will it be possible to measure it accurately?
No, ma'am.
No, we'll have to break it and see, isn't it? Because it won't come in the curves. So that is why we use something like a thread, because it can be stretched. Understood?
Yes.
Okay? Yeah. And is the activity clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then who will read? Harriet, can you just finish that paragraph? We see that last paragraph. We see that page number 102, last paragraph.
we see that we need a lot of care to ensure that we are measuring distances and lengths correctly. Some standard units and devices with which we measure these distances and can convey our results to others.
Okay, yeah. So last class or in the previous classes we saw if we have to measure the that is our body sizes, that is for tailoring and all, what do we use? Do we use a scale or a ruler that is
ma'am,
present
a
in the
measurement
geometric
tape.
box? Yeah, we use a measurement tape. And for measuring the triangles, rectangles and all, for constructing triangles, rectangles and all, what do you use?
Scale.
Scale or a ruler that is present in your box or in your geometric box. Then for the carpenters, what do they use?
Scale.
Yeah,
ruler.
they use long scales, isn't it? The meter scales. And textile shops also, they use meter scales. Then for measuring the distances, then how much distance you have covered during the long jump, during sports. For that also you use some kind of a tape, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So for different purposes, we use different measurement instruments or devices. Okay, that is the main point that we are making. Now, shall we play a game? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So keep away the thread, your scales and all. Measurement is all over. Okay, see and Fatima, I just saw the message. No problem. Okay. Fine. Just take out your rough book or lecture note and a pencil or pen, whichever is comfortable. Please switch on the videos, everyone. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is just take one fresh page. Take one fresh page and separate or draw a line in the middle, a vertical line in the middle, and just separate into left and right side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just draw a rough line. No need of the ruler, scaler. Just draw a rough line.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you repeat?
Yeah, I'll just show you. Wait.
Ma'am, vertically or horizontally?
Vertically. Yeah. Just take a fresh page and divide it into left and right side. That's all.
Divided.
Yeah, just like this. Draw a line in the middle, just a vertical line.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you write rest. R-E-S-T, rest. Okay?
Ma'am.
And on the right, you write motion. M-O-T-I-O-N, motion.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what you have to do is just try to remember the things that you saw today, just from the moment you opened your eyes. Okay, right from the moment you opened your eyes in the morning or afternoon, whenever you woke up. Okay, and then just separate the things into the ones at rest and ones in motion.
And that means one who move and one who
Yes,
don't move.
exactly. The ones who are resting, that is who cannot move. If you saw your mom resting or sleeping there, don't write or don't put her name in the things that rest. Okay, I'm telling about the general thing. Okay, general things. How do they move, or are they at rest always? Are they stationary always? Depending on that, you have to separate into the left and right sections. Understood? Any doubt in this task?
No, ma'am, I started doing.
Okay, okay. You can start.
Ma'am, that means in rest you have to write the things that cannot move.
Yes, the things cannot move. That you have seen. Okay.
Ma'am,
You have
if,
seen today.
ma'am,
Those
if,
that you have observed. Yes.
ma'am, if I saw a bike moving,
Hmm.
so it is in motion or rest.
Depending on your perspective.
No, ma'am. I saw the bike moving. That means one person was riding the bike.
Yes,
So
I agree.
in this concept, we are not looking that whether it has life or doesn't have life, right?
Yeah.
Just it is moving. It is it in a motion purpose or in rest purpose, right?
Yeah, you
So,
can put it in motion if you saw it in motion. If you think that that thing is moving, then you put it in the section of motion. If you
okay, ma'am.
think that it is at rest always, then put it in the section of rest.
Yes, ma'am.
Emil, are you doing or are you thinking? Thinking, okay. Mention only the things that can be read out in class, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Because I'm asking the things right from the morning, that's why I told you. If you don't get anything, just look around. You can see something. Savio, did you experience snowfall there? Yes?
Hmm?
Did you experience snowfall there?
Ma'am, now it's not there.
Now it's not there. Morning it was there?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, like you meant in rest and motion about non-living things, right?
Yeah. Let it be. If you want, you can include living things also. No
Ma'am,
problem.
if living things are there, then it won't finish, ma'am.
No, you can write. No problem. You can write as many as possible.
Ma'am, we should only write what we saw, right? So,
Yeah. What you saw today from morning till now. Aaron, please don't fall asleep while thinking. He's happily leaning on his chair and thinking. Some people have their tummies full. It's afternoon. And I'm warning you, please don't fall asleep. Okay?
not okay. Some
Not
more.
okay. Some more. Okay. Write down, no
I'm
problem.
finished. I'm finished.
Savio is playing there. Okay. Now, those who want, you can add more to your list. No problem. I'll ask one by one. So you'll have to give me. We'll first discuss the things at rest first. Okay. So from your list of the things at rest, give me one interesting word or a thing. Understood? One each. Fine. We'll start from Aaron.
Book.
Book. Okay. Ananda Krishnan.
Mirror.
Mirror. Amita. Amita.
Ma'am, is it one from rest and one from
No,
motion?
I'm
or-
telling about rest only now.
Okay.
Amita, one from rest.
And you will ask
Wait. Amita, what is it?
Stairs.
Stairs. Okay. Ashish,
ma'am 1 minute.
And television.
television. Yes, Ananda Krishnan, what happened?
Ma'am, you will ask everybody only one thing.
Yeah, we don't have much time, no?
Then why did I write this all things? Only one thing only needed.
That's why I told you. I asked one thing interesting to you from the list. Okay. Emil,
Mobile.
mobile. Sanaika. Huh? Sorry, I can't hear. Mobile. Okay. Altina.
Ma'am, bed.
Huh?
Bed.
Bed. Okay. Ananya. Huh? Okay, I think it will be easy if you put it in the chat box. I can't clearly hear you.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, everybody, others who didn't get a chance, please put it in the chat box. The one thing at rest
Ma'am,
that you want to.
Can everybody put?
Yeah, everybody. One each, okay? Don't fill my chat box with the whole list.
Ma'am, the chat box is unlimited. No problem.
No problem, but I have to read it out, no?
No need to read. For our Ma'am, should I say convenience only?
Yeah, I will read it out. Incubator, eggs, okay. Earphone, floor, toothpaste, breakfast, myself, bulb, mobile, shouting. What is shouting? Brush, doll, mongoose, chair,
Yes, ma'am. It is there
church.
near my house.
I'm asking about the rest. The list in the rest.
Yes,
Those
ma'am. It
things
is
that
rest.
were at rest.
It was not going anywhere. It was sitting over there. That's the only.
Okay. Church, playhouse, then remote control car, charger, exercise cycle, pen, then sanitizer, cycle, fine, water, TV, bus, oven, wash, my brother, tablet, shelf. Okay, fine. Enough. Laptop, scale, enough. Fine. Okay, so things in motion we'll discuss in the next class. And the motion,
tell, please? Okay, ma'am.
yeah, bed. Yeah, please, fast. Computer. Yes, father.
When I wake up, I saw.
Say loudly, please. Say loudly.
When I wake up, I saw my father and mother.
Ah.
Then I pray
Ah.
to my God.
Hmm.
Then I take the book and study.
Okay.
Then take the phone
Hmm.
after for the class.
Okay.
After
Wait.
that,
Don't tell me the entire story. I'm taking the attendance now. Aaron,
ma'am.
Abhinav, Abhyuday,
Present, ma'am.
Alpina, Ameya is absent. Then Amita, Ananya, Anandakrishnan, Ananya, Anna, Anthony, Arjun Krishna absent. Ashish, Atul, Ayan, Ayush absent, no? No, Ayush is present. Then Devaganga, Devika, Namasya, Emil, Francis, Geetika, Harriet. Haya is absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ismail absent.
Absent.
Okay, Kanishk, Malavika, Nihal, Sanaika, Savio, Sian, Fatima, Smriti, Shravana is absent. Okay.
Yes,
Then Sri Rudra absent, Vinayak absent, Brisa present. Okay. So we'll continue the activity in the next class. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.